Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Adaeze Chimsom. So guys, today I want to show us how we can cut 360 degrees peplum. Okay, so here I'll be using our marker and our scissors and this tape rule. Okay, so now we are going to start using this pattern paper. As you can see, I folded the pattern paper into 4. Okay, this is how it is, and then I folded into 2 first, like this, and then into 4. Okay, so we are going to be taking our measurements from here, the edge, the folded part of the pattern paper or even your material. So from here you can see here is folded. These 2 parts are folded but open. Okay, so we're going to be taking our measurement from here and not from this side. Okay, so just watch me as I do this. So the measurements we are going to be using as our radius depends on the waist measurements of the person you're making the dress for. So here I'll be using waist 30, but I want the peplum to be, I want to pleat it a little, so I'm going to make it 36 or more. So, and then the length to be using should be 7 inches as the length of the peplum. So to get the radius of your peplum, this is how we're going to do it, starting from the folded part. So here I will just come in by, let's just try, you first of all check if, as I'm using 30 inches as our waist measurement, but I want it to be bigger than that. So here I'll just come in by 5 inches. Okay, let me say 6 inches since I want it to be big. I'm coming in by 6 inches this side, and I'll be marking 6 inches again. Marking 6 inches again here. And you're going to take your tape rule round like this to check what we have here. So I want you guys to be seeing it. So from what we marked here, 6 inches here and 6 inches here, we are going to take our tape rule round like this. And what we have here is 9. So 9 is just perfect for me. 9 multiplied by 4. Whatever you get is so enough for me, because remember I said the waist measurement I'm using is 30, and 30 divided by 4 is 7.5 inches. So 9 inches multiplied by 4 will give us 36 inches. Okay, so that's it. So that's what we are going to do here. Now we are going to, since this is enough for us, we are still going to take each round, mark 6 here. We're just going to take that round. Can you see what I'm doing from here? We keep taking it round. Okay, so we just curve this. So this is going to serve as our radius. So from here now, we are going to take the length of our peplum. And I said I'll be using 7 inches. So from here, we are going to mark 7 inches. And that will be it. So here I'll be marking 7 inches. Here also, we'll be marking 7 inches. Here I'll be marking 7 inches again. So guys, that's it. So we've done that. So I'm going to draw the line like so, and that will be it for this peplum. And just use a free hand until you're done doing that. Okay, can we see that? So that's it. So we're just going to cut here and cut here, and that will be it for the peplum. So guys, this is it for the peplum. Okay, we're going to divide, we're going to open up here, but for then we are going to get the material we're going to place this on. Okay, material over here. I've gone ahead to iron this. So now this is what we are going to do. Remember, this is folded into 4, so we are going to do the same on this material. Okay, this is folded, this part is folded, here is open, and you just have to be careful because this is an organza material. That's what I call it. I don't know what you call it in your area. Okay, so now the folded part for the folded part, and this part for this part. Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so that's what we are trying to do now. So when you secure this with a pin, so we can now go ahead to cut it out. So that's what we are going to do now. And you succeeded holding it down using a pin, we are now going to so this is it, and we're now going to cut it. Okay, I'm going to this is a pattern paper, so I'm going to be leaving some inches here because this is an organza material. So guys, this is it. We're going to take off these pins now. Take it off now, and as you can see, we're just going to open up one side of our peplum. Okay, and that will be it for this tutorial. So guys, this is it. Thank you all so much for watching, and so this is how it's going to come out. So by the time I'm done sewing, I'll just pleat this, pleat this, pleat this, and also fold here with my bias. I'm going to fold the tip with the bias, and that will be it for this video. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye.